Good morning, students. Very good morning to all of you. And first of all of you switch off your camera and mute your microphones. Okay, that's what I have told you every day. So switch off your camera and mute your microphones. Okay. And how are you today? These days, all of you are fine. Yes, good morning. Today I will take your English grammar. Okay. We all know that Durga Puja is coming. So have any of you gone for marketing or shopping? Yes, Sritama, I am very good. I am good. Have any of you gone for marketing? Sritama, you have gone? Or shopping? Okay, Arunabha has also gone. Shrinika, you also. So, okay, all of you has gone for ma'am, just online shopping. Kostab, that is the good idea, online shopping these days. Okay, and Devayon, Shaptorshi, Mohian has also not gone. I have also not gone to shopping for anything. Devan wearing a mask, that is I was going to say that all of you and some of you has gone for shopping. Have you wear a mask? Shaptorshi, who have gone for shopping, wear a mask? It is not COVID-19 dear, it is COVID-19. Okay, let me know first of all. Whoever has gone for marketing or shopping, wear a mask. Adrija 6 new dresses. And I hope whoever has gone for marketing or shopping has wore a mask, because in these days, not only for these days, wearing a mask is very much important, because rather than this COVID, there are so many contagious diseases around us, and if we wear a mask, we can avoid them, isn't it? Yeah. Mohian, 11 new dresses. And in this side here, I bought nothing because I haven't gone to shop. And if you are going out, you and your parents, whoever is going out for market, for buying clothes or necessary items, you always should wear a mask. Not for this COVID situation, but for there are so many contagious diseases like sneezing, cold, cough and so many other diseases. Just to avoid them, we should always wear a mask. And you can see here also I take classes wearing mask, because I am out of my house, and whenever I am out of my house, I need to wear a mask, isn't it? And I know that all of you need to use sanitizers. You can see over here that I carry sanitizers with me every time, and I used to sanitize my hands very often, because whenever I am out of my house, I touch everything that every person touch, isn't it? Because we are using our computers, mouses that are touched by every person, and with that also we used to use these sanitizers, isn't it? And you can see whenever I take class, I used to use sanitizers, and whenever I touch the thing that are touched by everyone, I sanitize my hand, and we need to do so, isn't it? And another thing that we always need to follow, that maintaining distance. And for these days mainly, maintaining distance is very important, because we all know that Durga Puja is coming and some of us will go out. I personally prefer that all of you don't go out at this situation, but if you need to go out, always maintain distance from other persons. That is very important, isn't it? And yeah, Mohian, sanitizer. Okay, good. Like I also used to carry sanitizers all the time with me, and like how you also need to carry sanitizers all the time, isn't it? So these three things we should always follow. Not only for these days, we should always follow. That is to wear a mask, to avoid contagious diseases like anything it can be, and to use sanitizers and sanitize our hands very often, and wearing and maintaining distance. We always need to maintain distance. And why we need to sanitize our hands? Because this is the body part that is used very often. This is the body part that is used very often, and hands, we sometimes use our hands to nose, mouth, and we always, and this time in particular, that we don't need to, we should not touch our mouth and nose, okay? And if you need to touch whenever you go out, I am saying about the things whenever you go out, if you need to touch your mouth and nose, sanitize your hand first, then touch it. I know that these are the things you know it very well, and I am saying because of it, because Durga Puja season is going and all of you are going out, so that's why it is needed to be done. And you can also see that I wear a mask whenever I go out, even I take classes and wearing mask, isn't it? So keep these things in mind whenever you go out, okay? Now we can proceed. Shuhecha, two dresses. Two dresses. Yes, Kaustubh. And yes, we always need to use soap and hand washes whenever we go out. We should, whenever we will be in our house, we will be washing with soap, washing our hands with soaps and hand washes. Okay, now let's come to the chapters that we are going to do. Today we will do we, you, they. We, you, they. Page number 32. Page number 32. Olokendu, from our side here it is no problem dear. Cut the call and then rejoin, okay? Shubhecha, your shopping is also complete, and here I am the only one who has not brought anything, because we should not need to go out at this situation. Okay, let's continue with our study. We, you, they. Turn to page number 32. Let's take some examples, then we will understand. If we write we are best friends, here the word we represents friends, and here we are talking about ourselves, ourselves. So we represent here friends. So we talking about ourselves. When we talk about ourselves, we use we. Keep it in mind. And that is also for more than one person. Like friends are more than one, then we can use we. And you Like if we take example like you are a good dancer. Here we used to use you in case of the other person who are just against us. Other person we use you just to make you understand that we are talking about the other person who is standing just before us, or you is used in case of one and more than one person. You can be used in case of one and more than one person. Okay, like we is used in case of more than one and you is used in case of one and more than one. Keep it in mind. And they here, let's take an example. They are my books. Here they represents the word books. Books is the object, thing, a kind of a thing, and they is used to represent something, or it can also be used to represent person. If I write they are good students, they also represent person. They are good students. So here the word they represent persons, isn't it? Yeah. So they can represent things and they can also represent persons also, and that should be also more than one. They also represent things or persons that are more than one. Okay. Clear by these examples that we is used in more than one cases, in persons, mainly in persons. You is used to represent the other person who is just standing against us, and they represents more than one, that can be things or persons. Clear? Okay. And the 3 points that you can see in your book. The 3 points that you need to remember. Look at the end of your book, page number 32, that is a yellow color box and red colored written. That 3 points you have to keep it in mind. We is used in case of more than one person. Yeah. We is used in case of more than one person. You is used in case of one or more than one person. Isn't it? And they is used in case of more than one person or thing. More than one person or thing. Keep these 3 points in mind, that we is used in case of more than one person. You is used in case of one or more than one person. and they is used in case of more than one person or thing. Clear? Now shall we continue with the exercise? Shall we continue with the exercises? I am erasing now. Page number 33. Here number B part you can see that fill in the blanks with you, we, you or they. Fill in the blanks with we, you or they. Number 1. I am Arun, he is Ranjan. Dash are students. Dash are students. Dash are friends. Yeah, it will be we are students, we are friends. Why? Because here some person, the spokesperson is Arun, that is he is saying why I am Arun and he is Ranjan. Two persons we are talking about, that is more than one, and here the spokesperson is I. So here it is talking about ourselves. It is talking about ourselves, like I am Arun, he is Ranjan, and two person, that is more than one. We will use we. We are students, we are friends. Number 2. He is Mr. Paul. She is Miss Dhar. She is Miss Dhar. Dash are teachers, dash dash teach science. Here, yes, he is Mr. Paul, she is Miss Dhar. Here also it is talking about two persons, that are more than one, and it is talking about the other persons. He or she is used. Yes, Kaustav, Orunabo, Sritama, good. Very good. So, here it is talking about the other persons. So, they are teachers, they teach science. Clear? Completed all of you? Now the time is up also. Have you completed? Okay. Yeah, we, they. Now the time is up also. Okay. So and the rest exercises I will do in your next class. Okay. So today is up to this. Have a nice day. Bye for today. Bye.